Searching for the best language courses on Coursera, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, here's something most people get wrong. The best language course isn't the language that's most popular. It's the language you'll actually keep learning long enough to use. That said, some Coursera language courses consistently stand out because of their quality, structure, and learner reviews. Hashone, First Step Korean, Yonsei University. This is one of the highest rated language courses on Coursera and is designed specifically for complete beginners. It's often recommended as a starting point for learning Korean. Hash2, Learn to Speak Korean 1 Yonsei University, a great follow-up for learners who want to continue developing practical Korean communication skills. Hash3, Chinese for Beginners, Peking University, one of the most popular beginner Mandarin courses focusing on practical communication and everyday vocabulary. Hash4, Learn Mandarin Chinese Specialization, a structured path for learners who want to build long-term Mandarin skills rather than just learning basic phrases. Hash5, Learn Spanish, Basic Spanish Vocabulary, a strong option for beginners who want to build conversational Spanish and useful vocabulary. Hash6, Improve Your English Communication Skills, one of Coursera's most popular English specializations, focused on speaking and communication skills. Hash7, Learn English, Beginning Grammar, a great starting point for English learners who want to strengthen grammar and writing foundations. Hash8, Business English, Specializations, ideal for professionals who want to improve workplace communication, presentations, meetings, and networking. What's interesting is that language learners on Reddit often recommend Coursera for its structured approach, especially when compared to trying to learn from random videos or apps alone. So if you're searching for the best language courses on Coursera, best Coursera language certificates, learn Spanish online, learn Korean online, learn Mandarin online, or English courses on Coursera, here's the simple recommendation. For Korean, start with First Step Korean. For Mandarin, choose Chinese for Beginners. For Spanish, start with Basic Spanish Vocabulary. For English, choose Improve Your English Communication Skills. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here,